Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start with a clear overview of the AZ900 exam objectives and logistics. The AZ900 foundational exam is identified by the code AZ900 and costs about $9. You must reach a 700 passing score to earn the certification. The test focuses on cloud concepts, core Azure services, security and privacy, governance, compliance, and service-level agreements. Plan to dedicate 20 to follow a structured study plan that blends reading, practice, and hands-on labs. Start with free Microsoft Learn modules and complete about 10 to 15 short learning units. Use a free Azure Sandbox or subscription and run 3 hands-on labs to practice core services. Take at least 3 full-length practice tests to simulate timing and pressure. Review missed questions and map them back to the official skills outline for focused study. On exam day, register through Pearson VUE and confirm your test center or online proctoring details. Arrive 30 minutes early for check-in or prepare your workspace for online delivery. Bring one government-issued photo ID that exactly matches your registration name. The exam duration is 60 minutes, so manage time carefully and pace your answers. Use elimination strategies for unfamiliar questions and flag items to review with remaining time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.